Fresh. Fresh. So fresh fruit. So fresh papaya. So fresh blueberry. So fresh orange. Eh? So fresh salad. Eh? Oh, somebody got it's an octopus.
Yeah. Look at those. So many fish food out here, but now I'm going to eat more fish.
But we got more fish meat over here.
It's called pet section.
Oh, pet section. Oh, look at the goldfish, eh? Look at the goldfish. So many good. Today, I'm going to fuck with goldfish today. Got it? Looks like vanilla. Looks like orange. And looks like a mixed one. Today, I'm going to fuck with goldfish today, eh? Fuck with goldfish! I just got the goldfish, so fresh meat.
12,000원이고요.
How much is it, la?
12,000원. 12,000원이요.
สวัสดีครับกิมจิกรีสเต็กปลาดักกาเฟชThis is vanilla. This is orange flavor. And this is mixed flavor. This is Fanta flavor, and I will show you how to eat up goldfish, how to fuck with it. This is Fanta flavor. I will show you how to fuck with goldfish. 요리할 거예요. 알았죠? 오늘은 금붕어 요리를 할 겁니다. 오늘은 금붕어 튀김. 오렌지 맛의 금붕어를 요리할 거예요. 붕어야 수영해. 오 시발. 금붕어 튀김. 그리고 바닐라 레버를 또 칠 거예요. 네, 금붕어 튀김. 오렌지 맛 완성! 요리가 다 됐어요. 금붕어 튀김. 이제는 시식을 할 차례예요. 머리를 뜯고 가시가 있으니까 뜯고 턱 맛은 미꾸라지랑 똑같아요.